to share a little quick tip with you with how I mix my pouring medium with my paints. I have tried a lot of different methods, and this is the method that I have the best luck with. I add my paint to the cup, and then I only add a small amount of the pouring medium needed. I mix that up real good, and then I'll add the remaining amount of pouring medium for that color. This helps to mix the paint and the pouring medium without exhausting my hands and without making a huge mess. I hope this little quick tip helps you with your paint pouring, paint mixing. Let me know in the comment box if you have any quick tips, and thank you for giving this video a thumbs up. I will see you in the next video.